Network over here, bringing you another video. Yeah, I can't believe it either, but doing another video back to back. But anyways, the last video I did was on a collaboration tool dealing with like AI and how it's like helping us synthesize all the data from like doing like affinity mapping, to-do lists, creating user stories. So if you haven't seen that, check out the last video I did. I'll link it up here somewhere, and I'll also put it at the end of the video so you can go to that. The reason why I want to bring here today, there's another one. There's another tool out there that's gonna make our lives easier, or this thing is gonna be the thing that kills us as far as like UI designers. I don't know if you guys seen this, but you know, have you guys ever used Midjourney? You can go in, you can create a prompt or whatever, and let's say I type in like, I don't know, like photorealistic UX designer working on a computer or some stuff like that. It'll generate the image based on the prompt, right? That's exactly what this application right here does. It's called Uizard, Wizard. I don't know, but let's take a look. So this is the product that has me a little worried, everybody else a little worried. Maybe I'm not worried. Maybe I'm happy about this, so I can just get to making stuff I want to do faster. But essentially, this is similar to Midjourney, where you give it a prompt and it will spit out some designs and user flows and link them all up. It's pretty insane. I haven't played with it yet, so we're gonna play with it today. Turn screenshots into editable designs. Are you kidding me? So basically you could take a screenshot of whatever you're working on and it becomes editable. That is insane. How does this tie in? No need to be a designer. See, this is the part that's scary. It's like, no need to be a designer. Guys, you still need a designer. Just because you can come in here and do this doesn't mean you have good eye for detail, good eye for spacing, good eye for, you know, symmetry and composition. You still need a designer. So don't get it twisted. Don't let this fool you. But this is a good starter or a good conversation starter to have of like, I have an idea for an application. Let's see what this application can do for us. Design like a pro. Dude, you can do light and dark mode. Oh my God. Okay. This is insane. What would you like to design? iOS 15. All right, cool. So I already created an account, but I haven't made a project yet. So let's go in here and create a new project. Let's see. Yeah, projects. Click on this. Blank template. Play with Uizard? I think it's Uizard. Somebody please help me out with that. But I think that's what it is. Let's do create. Let's do mobile app because, you know, why not? That's what everybody does when they like create their first like UI. They go to mobile app. So let's see. Magic. Autodesigner. Sign up for the waiting list. What? Come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta sign up for a waiting list. I mean, that sucks. Let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Get early access. I probably should have did this before. I'm number 127,974 on the waiting list. Hey guys, it might be a while before I actually do a review of the actual automation, the AI part. But let's see if we can actually do some designs with this. So I don't want to go to pro. Click on my blank project. This video is brought to you by Springboard. Hey guys, if you have ever been wanting to make the transition from being graphic designer, teacher, I don't know, truck driver, whatever, to being a UX designer, you gotta try Springboard. You just have to try it. I did Springboard. That's how I got my start. That's how I made the transition. That's how I got things done. That's how I got my first job. Was I took the projects that I did in Springboard, put it on my portfolio, submitted that, and then I got a job interview. I'm not saying it's easy like that, but that's kind of how it happened for me. So if you guys are looking to make a career change and you want to switch over to user experience, data analytics, whatever the heck you want to do, Springboard has it for you. Springboard is pretty cool. They offer a mentor one-on-one, so you get to meet with a mentor once a week, which is pretty cool. I'm also a mentor at Springboard, so if you sign up, you might get me. Who knows? Also, they offer a job guarantee, which is pretty cool, meaning that if you don't get a job, 6 months after you get your certification or after you graduate, they will give your tuition back. They will give all that back, which is pretty cool. Also, because you are an Ugly Unicorns listener, you will get $1,000 off your course when you use my coupon code at checkout. It is Ugly Unicorns SB1000. That is UGLYUNICORNSSB1000. Yes, because you are Ugly Unicorns listener, you get $1,000 off your course. So go be a UX unicorn, go be an Ugly Unicorn, and sign up with Springboard. I'll see you there. This to me looks something similar to, let's just click on cards. So the cards are in here. This looks like Elementor, where you can drag in blocks, or like was it Flutter Flow or something like that. And this is okay. I mean, I don't want to use the UI for this part, man. That's why we have Figma. But it's giving you all these like pre-made items in here, which are not that great looking. Plus you got like a lot of things are in the pro. Dude, navigation's a pro item? Why? Not impressed thus far. First of all, I had to get on the waiting list, so that's a fail. 2, I can't do the AI generation stuff that I just hyped you guys up about, so 2, that's also a fail. And 3, I mean, can I take these designs and move them into Figma somehow, or I gotta use this tool to design? I don't want to do all that. I don't want to use 2 tools for designing. I just want to get one tool to help me generate an idea so I can keep moving forward. But I would not be using this tool as my dedicated design tool. Let's just click on these different options. Design, interact, similar to Figma, which is the screens. You get them at the bottom, like a storyboard style, add notes, you get your settings, you got templates in here. Let's just because we can't, play with the AI part. Let's just see if we can actually see what they got to offer. Okay, we got basic, ooh, that's a big image. So we're looking at this, they got the different options of like the thing that we can't do that's in beta, so that's kind of sad. Wireframe scanner, these are scans your wireframes to turn them into something. Theme generator, wireframe mode. Let's click on that. What? Look at that, bro! You got instant wireframes. This is game changer. If you're trying to finesse, I mean not finesse. If you're trying to like, all right, I don't want to show this to my stakeholders just yet. Let me toggle this switch on, get my wireframe mode going, and I'm good to go. This is pretty cool. I wish Figma had something like that. I can just like toggle on wireframe mode. That'd be super dope. But yeah, guys. Yeah, sorry about that, but when I get the actual beta in hand, I'm going to do a proper video on this particular tool. But it sounds interesting, it sounds cool. It doesn't seem like it's going to be a tool that I'm going to use, because I don't want to design in this particular product. One, it feels clunky. They did a good job with like the UI and how it all looks, but I just don't feel like it's, I don't know. I can't find a way to make like a custom thing. There's like all these pre-built. I think you can adjust these or whatever, but I like being able to do things on my own, I guess. Make my own buttons, make my own things, and create a design system out of that. Looks like the design system's already been styled for you, but so I'm not really sure if you can make a design system out of this and utilize it for your team, but it's cool. It's a cool starting spot. Anyways, I dragged this video out way too long, longer than I wanted it to be. But anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Once I get this beta done, I'm going to do a quick little video, show you guys how it works, do things like that. Make sure you stay tuned. I got some few things dropping. I got some few ideas in the mind frame going on what I want to do for the channel, what I want to do for my videos and my content, etc., etc. But anyways, guys, like I always say, don't just be a unicorn, be an ugly unicorn. Peace.